Kong. We have a layover of 10 hours, so we needed to get a hotel. So we had to go out of customs, and now we are on the Airport Express, which you have to purchase a ticket down in the when you arrive out in the main area. There's a counter where you can purchase a train ticket. This one for 2 people, it was $6 each, and this will take us one way, which will get us closer to the hotel that we're going to be staying at. So if you need to stay over here in Hong Kong due to a layover that's quite long like ours, we highly recommend this because Uber is your alternative, and I believe it's a lot more. So
and we are staying at the Regala Skycity Hotel. So that's at the AsiaWorld-Expo. So we just ride this 3 stops, and we should be getting there. So we got off at the AsiaWorld-Expo. When you get up, you go up the escalators, and exit B is where you'll exit to. So you'll scan your ticket and go through exit B, as so. And then it's a short walk to Regala Skycity Hotel. So this journey was pretty easy.
the train was pretty quick. We thought it would be a lot longer. So when you take it from the airport terminal, it's pretty much just one stop because the Asia World stop is the last stop.
Yeah, Google was saying, I guess Google was saying 3 stops. Sometimes Google is not accurate, but it's just one stop, very, very fast. And like I said, you get out, go upstairs, exit through B.
And if you get lost, there's always staff to help, and they're quite friendly.
Yeah, and it's a short walk to Regala Skycity Hotel. So that's where we're off now. Keep on following the signs. Keep on going straight for the hotel. Okay, so we arrived here at the hotel. It was a pretty quick walk. It's a nice hotel, that's for sure. We're arriving past midnight, so that's why it's pretty quiet here. But the environment is very safe. It's located right beside the airport.
And if you do have a long layover during the daytime, I believe they have day rates. Unfortunately, our flight is an overnight stay, so they didn't have it, but we were able to find one very reasonable.
Okay, seems like we gotta go down the flight of escalators now, then to get to reception.
We just checked into the hotel. The only thing we had to pay is the taxes, which I believe was implemented a few years ago. So it wasn't much. I believe it was 21 Hong Kong dollar. So now we're ready to go up to our room.
What level are we at?
6.
Level 6. Alright, so far this is a pretty classy hotel. I wish they had more of this in Malaysia. I really like this hotel. Looks very, very classy.
So this hotel was quite reasonable. I believe we're paying about $100 for the night. We were able to use some of our Expedia points. So we're pretty much paying, I think, about $50-$60 for tonight for this nice, lovely hotel.
Okay, 6075. We've reached to our room. And put the electric card in. Wow, this looks amazing. It has marble floors. Okay, let's do a. So here's a little stool. Rest our bag. There's a nice TV, nicely air conditioned in here. Comes with a desk.
So I believe they don't have bottled water like most hotels because they want to conserve on the plastic. So they have a reusable glass container, and I believe on the floor there should be areas to grab water. A nice clean bed, and then we have.
And here's the washroom tour.
So it's a nice slick washroom. So you have your toilet and sink in one area.
And it has towels.
And then
let's just take off my knapsack. And then let's have a look at the shower. Walk-in shower. Very nice. And it has bath gel, shampoo, conditioner. Oh, I'm very, very happy with this. It has slippers and toothbrush. So, if you are ever in Hong Kong for a layover like us,
a nice like hidden closet. So if you need to store your stuff out of the way,
there you go.
All right, so I hope you liked that tour of the Regala
Skycity Hotel
here in Hong Kong. If you're planning to stay overnight, this is highly recommended.
If you have any questions on how to get here, just watch our video again, or you can message us. Feel free. We'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, take care.